The Evopex system is a simple push-to-connect design offering security, quick install times and confidence with every installation. To make a successful join with the Evopex system, plumbers will only need a quality pair of pipe cutters, Evopex fittings, Evopex pipe and their hands. That's it. To start the install, the pipe needs to be cut to the desired length, making sure the cut is straight and smooth to get the best join possible. Before inserting the pipe into the fitting, check to make sure the fitting's free from debris. If there is any debris in the fitting, give it a rinse in a bucket of water to clear it out. That way the seal isn't compromised and you get a secure join. To make the join, insert the pipe straight into the fitting with a slight twisting motion to reduce friction. Avoid inserting the pipe at an angle, as this can compromise the strength of the join. When using a threaded Evopex fitting, make sure you either use pipe cord or Teflon on the thread. Never use thread sealants as these will degrade the fitting and compromise the join. Finally, check if the green indicator is fully visible at the back of the fitting. This indicates a secure and permanent connection, meaning you can start pressure testing straight away. So there you have it, the perfect Evopex connection. Smart, simple and secure.